Are you looking for the best modern computer desk in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best modern computer desk. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Walker Edison Modern L-shaped tempered glass computer desk. The Walker Edison L-shaped computer desk has a ton of space for multiple screens and electronics, perfect for gamers. The steel legs provide sturdy support, while the thick tempered glass gives the desk a clean, modern look. But don't worry, it's fingerprint-proof, according to reviewers. One side of the desk has a sliding keyboard tray. Some Best Buy reviewers noted that assembly is fairly smooth, though it helps to have help. Most had positive things to say about the desk. A great size, one side is for gaming and the other is crafting. The tower fits perfect in the corner against the wall. Love it, one raved. Another wrote, there's so much room to put the things you need on it. I have a 32 inches TV, my PS4, a gaming monitor, a computer, and a Wi-Fi router all on this one desk. Moving on at number 4. We have the Flexispot Standing desk. Sitting at your desk all day isn't ideal for anyone's health, so an adjustable height desk is a great option that lets you alternate between sitting and standing. At the push of a button, the Flexispot Standing desk goes between a height of 28 to 47.6 inches, at a rate of 1 inch per second in a fairly quiet, smooth motion. The large, sturdy surface area could hold any number of monitor and laptop setups. And it's easy to assemble. One Amazon reviewer said, "This desk is really as good as it gets." It was extremely easy to set up. All the tools except a screwdriver were included, and the instructions were very easy to follow. Another reviewer praised the affordability. I think it's an extremely fair price for what you're getting compared to other electric desks. At number 3, we have the Coavas Industrial Folding Desk. If you're looking for a simple, functional workspace that requires little assembly and costs under $200, then the Coavas Industrial Folding Desk is the perfect solution. Yes, almost no assembly required. Just snap the particle board surface onto the black metal frame and you're all set. The desk is even portable, it's that easy to put together. The Coavas desk has over 8,000 reviews with an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars. One Amazon reviewer raved, "I love this desk. It is just the right size, sturdy, and extremely easy to assemble." Another also praised the ease of putting the desk together. "It is extremely easy to assemble. I was done in 5 minutes and it required no tools or glue." The desk is surprisingly stable and the top, while thin, does not feel flimsy. At number 2, we have the Topsky computer desk. The Topsky computer desk is our choice for best desk overall due to its combination of design, durability and affordability. The large surface area is made of thick, sturdy particle board and the frame is made of reinforced steel. The feet are adjustable in case your floors are uneven. A handy shelf can hold books and other supplies, while a metal cable grommet hole cover keeps computer wires organized and out of sight. Amazon reviewers give the Topsky computer desk an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. One wrote, "I absolutely love this desk. It's huge and can easily fit my 2 monitors, a keyboard, my printer, my huge mousepad, my Nintendo Switch, and there's still plenty of room for drinks, various other objects on the desk." Another noted, "It was very easy to put together. Surprisingly, it's very sturdy and the materials are very nice. Oftentimes when buying furniture or you get cheap particle board that breaks when you're putting it together, not the case with this." And finally at number 1, we have the VECELO Axess desk with keyboard tray. The VECELO modern L-shaped corner computer desk gives you ample room to arrange your computer and all its accessories, and it even comes with a computer tower holder that keeps the unit off the floor. This desk is over 66 inches long and 47 inches wide, and its surface is around 19 inches deep. The design features a black metal frame and faux wooden top for an industrial appearance, and its L shape makes it large enough to hold dual monitors if needed. It even has adjustable leg pads to help you stabilize the furniture on uneven flooring. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.